Understanding the phrase, time is a gift. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, time is a gift. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a profound expression that carries a significant message. Let's dive in and understand its essence. In this section, we'll break down the phrase into its literal and figurative components. Literally, time refers to the ongoing sequence of events, while a gift is something given willingly to someone without payment. Figuratively, the phrase suggests that time is a precious and invaluable resource that should be cherished and utilized wisely. It's an acknowledgement of the importance and scarcity of time in our lives. Here, we'll explore how the phrase is used in various contexts. Time as a gift can be used in different situations, such as in motivational speeches, personal reflections, or even in casual conversations. The phrase often emerges in discussions about life priorities, personal growth, and during moments of gratitude. It reminds us to appreciate and make the most out of every moment we have. To help you better understand the usage, let's look at some example sentences. 1. Remember, time is a gift. Use it to pursue what truly matters to you. 2. As I grow older, I realize more and more that time is a gift that should not be taken for granted. 3. In her speech, the CEO emphasized that time is a gift, and we should invest it wisely in our professional and personal lives. This section delves into how different cultures perceive and value time. The concept of time varies significantly across cultures, and understanding this can enrich our interpretation of the phrase, time is a gift. For instance, in some cultures, time is viewed as a linear and finite resource, while in others, it's seen as cyclical and more flexible. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, time is a gift. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and inspired you to reflect on how you view and use your time. Remember, each moment is a precious gift. Cherish and make the most of it. See you in our next lesson.